if we do it as part of our responsibility as a servant of Allah, would we actually ignore other responsibility of servant of Allah as well, right? Meaning, if we imagine, right, Allah, just to put it simply, if we understand that Allah says you have to do your salah, saum, etc., right, on the left, that category, you should actually secure your rizq, nafkah for your wife, children, that's the middle one. You should also spread Islam, for example, do da'wah, etc., right? But let's imagine just 3. Can I claim that I'm busy with one? For example, the easiest example is I'm busy with work, that's why I do not pray. Can you then claim I'm busy with work because that is one of my responsibility as servant of Allah? It doesn't make sense, right? Because salah is your responsibility as well, even the bigger one. So you are not doing that. So how can you claim this is part of serving Allah, right? So it goes vice versa, right? So my question is on the right normally, right? So if this is totally missing, number one is that requirement? Because if we don't even know Allah require us to do certain things, then that should be the first thing that we discuss. But once we know, we cannot escape that responsibility. If we do not even spend any time on this, can I still claim whatever that I do is part of responsibility as a servant of Allah, right? Because Allah also mentioned that one. What happened to that, right? So that's a real question that we should ask ourselves, right? Whichever, right? For example, if anyone is too busy, for example, right, performing salah, performing prayers, to the point that do not take care of the children, then that's totally wrong, right? Because Allah mentioned that you should take care of your, meaning under your care, etc., right? So I hope that point is quite clear, right?